Hello guys, welcome to this video. Today I will share with you best 3 website spreadsheet to find the best Hagobuy, and on my opinion guys, looking by from this website, first you have this spreadsheet, and we have this the skin trap spreadsheet, and this basically Google Docs, and that almost anything you need to know of this product listed here, and this is take this photo and prices, everything you need to know, and this spreadsheet and different product, and you can find whatever like and quickly. And this is a good spreadsheet, and is really easy to find product, just 1 second, and most aesthetic, and is you have basically website to hair, shoes, hoodie, t-shirt, and one click you find pretty easy guys to use. And second, this website you can find product and not spreadsheet, and this three Telegram is channel called Hagobuy Find, and you can find everything listed on different channel. Whatever you can just one can simply just click and find specific product and search with price, and generally chat and ask people on Telegram possible to link as pretty good communications and something update constantly, and so it is most valuable. I hope guys this video helpful for you. Then comment, like, share this video, subscribe to my channel for more content. See you on another video soon guys. Thanks.